How to add a joystick in Pokémon GO. First, open MagFone Location Changer on your computer and click the Start button. The next step is connecting your phone. You can do this with a USB cable or over Wi-Fi. Just follow the clear on-screen instructions that guide you through enabling developer mode on your specific Android model, which is a one-time setup. Once connected, switch the tool to Game Mode and specifically tap the Pokémon GO icon. This crucial step ensures the GPS changes are applied directly to the game for reliable performance. MagFone offers several ways to move, with the joystick being the most intuitive. Before you start, it's important to pick your mode. The general, change location mode, lets you teleport instantly by placing a pin on the map. However, for true on-the-ground control, you want the joystick mode. Here, you get a live, on-screen stick for flexible, real-time movement in any direction. Remember to set your preferred walking or running speed before you begin, as this is key for natural gameplay. Navigating to raid battles or finding Team Go rocket grunts becomes incredibly smooth. By choosing the right speed, you can even hatch eggs efficiently without triggering any alarms. For iPhone users, the process starts similarly by connecting to the computer. The desktop prompts will guide you to pair your devices via Bluetooth. When the pop-up appears on your iPhone, simply tap to pair and accept the connection. Now, here's a pro tip for larger location jumps on iOS. To ensure the new location sticks, temporarily turn off location services, cellular data, and Wi-Fi for about 10 seconds before turning them all back on. Finally, head to your iPhone settings, go to General, find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset, followed by Reset Location and Privacy. This finalizes the location change. Once your virtual location is active, you're all set. Whether you use the joystick to explore a new neighborhood, simulate a route to hatch eggs, or simply teleport to a distant gym, you can play the game, catching Pokémon and completing tasks, just as you normally would, but with the world at your fingertips.